Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by myself. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
Good morning and welcome to our spring morning routine. My name is Bex Link. I am a stay-at-home mom of two little girls who are 3 and 11 months old, almost 1. We are so close to celebrating that first birthday. And today I am sharing my spring morning routine, which involves actually being able to get out of the house for the first time in a long time, which is really nice. I am loving our morning routine right now because the first thing I'm able to do is just open all the windows in the house, let some fresh air in, and of course take a walk with my girls. But this morning I have a couple of work things that I need to take care of really quickly before we're able to head out. So I am getting them occupied with an activity and a snack while I sit on my computer. Okay, so not the start to the morning that I thought I was going to have. When I sat down for work, the first thing I saw in my inbox was a bunch of emails about my account being overdrawn, and I was like, no, because I haven't used my debit card in, I don't know, probably like 3 days. And somebody got a hold of my debit card information online and had just gone like absolutely trigger happy online shopping all over the world. So thankfully, my bank was super cooperative in getting all of those charges taken away and restored to my account, but obviously I had to cancel my debit card and a new one won't be here for a few days because it's already the end of the week. So I'm gonna have to go the weekend without it. But I have a credit card, like everything's gonna be okay. And this is why Tanner and I keep everything separate. Like we keep all of our finances separate, so we always have like somebody else to lean on if something happens. But it just kind of like set me off first thing in the morning. Like we were rolling, things were good, and then it was like disaster. But it's taken care of now. Breakfast is done. And I'm just gonna get everything cleaned up and then get the girls dressed for their day so we can move on.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop.
Normally baby Lou would not go down for a nap this early, but she has been so grumpy this morning, and all they have done is fight, like stealing each other's toys, pinching each other. She's very out of it. So I nursed her after she got out of the bath and she fell asleep, and I put her down in her crib, and lo and behold, 3 minutes later, I can hear her chittering in her crib, not sleeping. So that was a fail. Gosh, I'm starving. So hungry. I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. I'm still breastfeeding Lou. She is 11 months old, and every single time I breastfeed, like, all I want every single morning is a giant bowl of oatmeal. I don't get anything pre-mixed or anything like that. I just do regular oats, and then I have collagen peptides. These are the vanilla kind, so it does add a little bit of sweetness to it. whole walnuts. I love walnuts. I put them in my salads. I eat them as a snack. Put them in my oatmeal. Like a lot. Too much, probably. And a nice big fat spoonful just in butter. This one is sweetened with honey, so I can't share this with the baby. Alright, I'm gonna go sit on the couch and eat this with Amy and then get her dressed and do her hair.
Forever, I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?